Greetings once again, my cringe-worthy cringers. Today we will be doing the first ever, and second if you count the one time I made crystals years ago. Today we will be doing some cringe-worthy kitchen work. The cringe, yes. So today we will be making the I just had it. Of course I'm gonna fucking cringe on this. The collage gourmet. So we're gonna start with our fairly simple instant noodle pack of instant noodliness. And as that begins to boil in our shallow waters, we can add our chicken soup base. For most people who have made instant noodles, you'll know exactly what this is. I forgot to grab a utensil. Where are the sticks of chopping? The sticks of chopping. Okay. So, yes, it is in fact 1 in the morning when I'm doing this. Screw you. I don't have sandwiches. Here we go. We are going to noodleate. And while that is noodleating, we have a handful of things we need to do to enhancify the flavor. And that is spice it and flavor it. Spice and flavor. Okay, so I'm gonna set you down on a glowy dotty thing while I commit the pepper, because you can't see that, but I'm using those hands. I don't have a stand for my phone. Okay, so as you can see, we have been peppered. So now, as I set you guys down again on the ground so that you cannot floor, and I need both hands for the ginger as well. So ginger in, which is going to be basically impossible to see. Now, garlic powder in, spicy in the nose, yes, and a few red pepper flakes for good luck. And we have made our chicken into the spicy chicken. And hold on a second as I relid everything again. Should have thought this one through, shouldn't I? Okay, so now that we've got all spicified chicken noodles, because that's just epic, my guys, we can stir fry it. Now that we've got that going for a little while, we can break some eggs and toss them in. And geez, really should have thought this through, eh? Okay, that's my second one in, and I can smell my hair burning. Ta-da, we've got 2 eggs in there. Now I'm going to turn the heat back up, because I turned it down a little, because I like my eggs to be hella solid, but I'm still going to go in there and break up the yolks. I'll add that, because ahead and cooks and finishes boiling, because we are just about done our cooking experiment here. Look at that. Got some egg whites in there, shallow noodles. Very epic cooking skills. You can't do much better than that unless you actually know how to fucking cook. You know what I mean? This is the type of stuff that gets you along when you're doing your 5th assignment for the day. Man. So with that, I do believe that is all. Take power that off. Take our bowl of bowlingness. My bowl of oh,